Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Cylinder, Mirror, Hole, and Fillet. This is the ISO view drawing that we need to convert into this 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create a 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this ISO view drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. This is the ISO view drawing with the given dimensions and the steps to solve this exercise. In step 1, we sketch the triangle profile with the holes on XZ plane, and then we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. It is very important first to define the position of the solid part relative to the origin axis system. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Sketch 3 circles with a radius of 20 millimeters. Select the center points of the upper circles and the vertical axis and then activate the Symmetry tool. Now, assign the dimensions. Sketch 3 lines nearer to the circles and then constrain them tangential to the circles. Next, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Now, sketch the circles for the holes with a diameter of 20 millimeters. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 12 millimeters. In step 2, we create the cylindrical part on the XZ plane with a diameter of 17 millimeters. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 50 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, first we create one of the upper part and then mirror it about YZ plane. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Choose this tool to extract the reference edges for dimensioning. Sketch a slot with a radius of 15 mm and height 55 mm up from the horizontal axis. Convert the reference edge into construction line. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. We extrude it to the thickness of 10 mm. In the dialog window, first select the Mode option to Sided and set the length 1 to 22.5 mm and the length 2 to -12.5 mm. Click OK to confirm. Now, we add a cylindrical part with a thickness of 4 mm on the front face. Extract the reference curve to define the center point. Select the sketch and extrude it by 4 mm. Next, we mirror the last two pads about YZ plane. Select the last two pads and then activate the mirror tool. Select the option Base YZ plane. Now, we create a hole with a diameter of 15 mm. Select the front face and then activate the Hole tool. Set the depth type through all and the diameter to 15 mm. In step 4, we create a hole with a diameter of 40 mm from the cylindrical part. Select the front face of the cylinder and then activate the Hole tool. Set the depth type through all and the diameter to 40 mm. The last step is to add fillet according to the drawing. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.